I got this keyboard like a week and a half ago, and just now I'm opening it. So before I was opening packages every single time they arrived immediately, and now I just simply don't have the time to do this kind of stuff right away. So I'm waiting for the perfect moment when I can concentrate and do a proper review for you guys and not to, you know, mess things up. But here we go. The keyboard is here, and oh my god. Now this looks really cool, and so we have the keyboard, and let me just show you this. You have the some kind of, I don't know if this is, yeah, this is the user's manual when you have the package content. This is a quick start guide, actually, not the user's manual. And you have all the key switch combinations that you could use for, I don't know, lights, macro buttons, and how to switch on the gaming mode, and that is it. Now you also have the 2-year warranty, which is also very nice. And let's see, oh, you have something here. Now you have the, I don't know what's it called, but this is to take out the keycaps of the switches, so you can clean the keyboard up more nicely than usually if you, and you don't break the switch, and you don't break the keycaps as well. So let's check out the keyboard. Now here it is, and I said the brushed aluminum looks really nice. It's really good looking keyboard, and you have loads of, I mean, from F1 to F12 you have all the buttons are macro. You could with the cooler master sign you could change, use them. Even these buttons above the insert home and page up button have the macro buttons. Those buttons also have macro buttons. You have every single button here almost has some double function, which is really amazing, and they're using full potential of the keyboard. Now the keyboard looks really small in my opinion. It's not that big, because I don't know, it probably because it doesn't have the wristband here, you don't have the palm rester, and the size completely is, I would say, a bit shortened, tightened, and I don't know, something like that. But let's see the bottom part. Now you have 4 rubber pads here, which will stop you from moving your keyboard if you're into aggressive gaming. But you also have this kind of stands which have also rubber things, so basically when you place it, it actually doesn't move. I mean, I'm moving the table, as you can see. So those rubber pads are really good and really loud. But let's see the cable. Now I'm usually more into cables that are braided, and they're very loosened, you know, they don't get caught up behind, I don't know, monitor stands or cable management U channels or something like that. Normal rubber cables tend to stay in one position, but this is not braided cable, and I can only say a positive thing about this, because this is rubber and it actually bends very easily. Now I bet if I remove it, okay, it was standing in a box and everything, but still look at this. It's very flexible, and this is actually really cool. I mean, okay, it collects dust more than braided cables, but this is actually really nice because it's very flexible. Now the next thing about the CK550 is to connect it to my PC and to see actually the RGB lights, and to see, well, for you, I'm going to actually feel how it's in the gaming, the response rate, how it functions and everything, and for you guys just to see how it responds, because I'll put the game here and you'll see the full picture of me playing on it. But let's first connect it to my computer. Let's see the RGB. Wow, now this is sick. when you connect it, it immediately shines purple directly, like the Cooler Master purple color, and this is really amazing. I mean, when you look at it like this is really sick. Without a doubt, this is amazing color. And let me see this. I know you can't see the exact color because I have two soft boxes and they're really bright, but this is just amazing, and you can easily remove the keycaps if you wish to clean it. There's no fuss going with the keycap remover. I think I'm gonna call it like that from now on, but still amazing colors from the Cooler Master on the CK550. Now, okay, I can talk about the colors and everything, but let's game a bit. Let's play something and let's see how it works.
Je peux soigner tes blessures. Tes blessures.
And that's about everything, guys. Now, even though I'm used to different types of switches, these were really nice. I mean, even the sound is very light and they sound really cool. They aren't that loud like usually some mechanical switches. As I said, I'm used to different types of switches and I got used to these very quickly. I won't say it took me too long, but I got used to them very nicely. And definitely, this is actually not an expensive keyboard for mechanical, RGB and fully functional macro buttons. Really awesome keyboard from Cooler Master, the CK550. I would definitely recommend it to you guys if you're not into, I don't know, going extremely and spending like 150 euros, $150. This is 90 euros on Cooler Master EU store, and well, just amazing price tag for an amazing keyboard. What else would you want? And it looks cool, and it really does look cool, especially with this purple. I think I'm going to leave it like this and take the purple color just like that. Maybe even switch my computer to purple as well. I don't know, purple is the new color for I don't know what, but for Cooler Master definitely it fits them perfectly. So guys, thank you for watching. This was a video review unboxing of the Cooler Master CK550. This is a full mechanical RGB gaming keyboard, and I can only say thumbs up, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the like button as well. And of course, see you next time. Bye.